this is love.
Sorry, sir. You're being okay.
Then can I have the bill?
You? This is shocking. No, now, babe, wait.
I want to clear the bill.
Pay the bill?
Yes, of course.
Why do you want to pay the bill?
What's going on here?
I'm not your girlfriend.
How can I carry you come out and you be the one to pay the bill? See, let me tell you, I'm an African man.
Okay.
And there's no way I will carry you come out and you be the one to come and pay the bill. Yeah? So that you pay the bill finish now. Tomorrow, they will say that woman is feeding me. God forbid.
That's the problem. Everybody, African man, can't we just pay our bills for ourselves? You want to pay my bill so that you start controlling, right? It can never happen. I cannot eat something and expect someone else to pay for my bill. I will never allow any man to pay my bill so that he will control me. Period. Do you get me?
See, I can take so many insults, but the one I'm not going to take is for a woman to feed me.
What do you mean?
Why I have so money?
Guys, calm down.
Calm
down.
What?
Sorry, please calm down. Guys, let's do it 50-50.
Fine, that's...
I cannot do 50-50 with anybody.
We are going to do 50-50.
I cannot do 50-50. Why I have so money?
Guys, you're done.
What? I have a plan. What plan?
All you need to do is to drop your pay card. You drop your own pay card. I will dip anyone I pick to pay. Simple.
That's better.
My brother, not too personal here for this one.
Just get defeat.
Sir?
Babe.
Your bill.
Are you okay?
Imagination won't finish you.